The video is about getting rid of Hdmovie1080.club pop-up windows. The pop-up indicates that to view the video you need to click on the Allow button. And in most of the cases the Allow button is integrated into the pop-up. So the reality is that there is no any video behind this pop-up. It's a scam, it's a tricky message that tries to deceive you into clicking on that Allow button. The problem is that when the Allow button is clicked, people start unexpectedly seeing strange ads popping up randomly as various banners, deals and coupons, and this is a very annoying experience. People don't know how to deactivate these ads, and there are several advertising agencies that stand behind these Hdmovie1080.club pop-ups. Their mission is to promote a lot of suspicious content. Sometimes the content is decent, but in any case, the pop-ups by this site are very annoying and they may distract you a lot. So to deactivate these alerts, go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings and Notifications. You need to pay careful attention to the Allow area. If you find some suspicious sites, you may remove them from this list completely. After all the suspicious sites are removed, I would recommend that you additionally inspect your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded and installed, wait until the antivirus database is updated and then click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free research of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat. How to remove each threat manually and for free. You may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.